Dear students, in this lecture, we will study series of non-negative real numbers. So, we will prove or obtain necessary and sufficient condition for convergence of series of non-negative real numbers and its divergence. So first let us define what is series of non-negative real numbers. Series of non-negative real numbers. Series of non-negative real numbers. Definition: series AN is a series of non-negative real numbers non-negative real numbers if An is non-negative for every n belongs to I. So series An is of non-negative real numbers if every term of the series is non-negative, that is, it is greater or equal to 0. Example: series n is equal to 1 to infinity n and series n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon n are series of non-negative real numbers as every term of the sequence is non-negative. In fact, it is positive here. So these are series of non-negative real numbers. So let us prove or obtain necessary and sufficient condition for convergence of series of non-negative real numbers. Necessary and sufficient condition for convergence of series of non-negative real numbers Let An be a series of non-negative real numbers and Sn is equal to 1 to infinity is equal to a1 plus a2 plus an n is equal to 1 to infinity be a series of a series of be a series of be a sequence of partial sums, be a sequence of partial sum of the series, the sequence of its partial sums, the sequence of its partial sums. So it is a sequence of its partial sums. Then series AN converges if the sequence Sn is bounded. If the sequence Sn is bounded, and series diverges if the sequence Sn is unbounded, it is not bounded. The sequence diverges. In other words, the sequence, the series AN is convergent if and only if the sequence Sn is bounded. So this is necessary and sufficient condition for convergence of series of non-negative real numbers. The series is convergent if and only if its sequence of partial sums is bounded. Let us see proof of this theorem. Consider for n belongs to I, consider Sn plus 1 minus Sn. This is equal to A1 plus A2 plus An plus 1 minus A1 plus A2 plus An. So this is equal to, first n terms get cancelled and only An plus 1 will left. So it is An plus 1, but it is greater equal to 0. Why is it? Because An is series of non-negative real numbers, means every term of the series, in particular An plus 1 is greater equal to 0. Thus Sn plus 1 minus Sn is greater equal to 0 for all n belongs to I. Hence Sn plus 1 is greater equal to Sn for all n belongs to I. So the sequence Sn n is equal to 1 to infinity is non-decreasing. it is non-decreasing. Say first. Now we consider two cases. We know that a non-decreasing sequence is convergent if and only if it is bounded or upper bounded. In the topic monotone sequences, in the previous chapter, we have studied the result that non-decreasing sequence is convergent if and only if it is bounded. So, first case, the sequence Sn is unbounded then from first we can write that it is divergent. The sequence is unbounded, it means that it is divergent. It is divergent. In fact, it diverges to infinity because it is sequence of non-negative terms, it is non-decreasing and it is not bounded, so it is divergent and it diverges to infinity. Recall the basics. Series is convergent if and only if sequence is convergent, if and only if its sequence of partial sums is convergent. So, sequence of partial sums is divergent, it means that this implies that the series n is equal to 1 to infinity an is divergent. So, this is our first case. Second case, if the sequence Sn is bounded, if the sequence Sn is bounded, then the series an is convergent. Then again use the basic fact that monotone sequence, it is monotone. So monotone sequence is convergent if and only if it is bounded. So this implies sequence Sn n is equal to 1 to infinity is convergent from first because it is monotone from first. So, if sequence is convergent, then series is convergent. Which sequence? If sequence of partial sums of the series is convergent, then series is convergent. So, this proves that an is convergent. Thus, what we proved? We proved that the series an is convergent, the series an of non-negative real numbers is convergent if and only if the series an of non-negative real numbers is convergent if and only if non-negative real numbers is convergent if and only if the sequence of partial sums, its sequence of partial sums Sn is bounded. If it is unbounded, then the series is divergent. So remember this result. It is one of the important results in this chapter. Series an of non-negative real numbers is convergent if and only if Sn is bounded. Okay? Thank you.